So here our chartered accountancy course, as you guys know, that it is a three-level process. It is a three-level course in which your level one is known as CA Foundation. Earlier, this level was known as CA CPT. So, but now our institute had made an amendment, and instead of CA CPT, now it is known as CA Foundation. So, what is the difference between the two? In CA CPT, so there were four subjects, but all the four subjects the exam was on objective based. Means there were multiple choice questions. You were given only four options for a question, and you have to select the right question, right answer for the question. And then, if you chose the correct answer, you will be given the full marks. And but for wrong answer, there was negative marking concept. Okay, but now in CA Foundation, subjects are same, four subjects, but the first two subjects will be your subjective one. Means there will be no negative marking in that, because it will be totally a descriptive one, and your remaining two subjects will be objective one. So there will be negative marking for that. It is 0.25%. So one fourth marks is deducted for wrong answer. Then, as per your new stream, your C after CA foundation, it is your second level, that is your CA intermediate level. And after that, after clearing your CA intermediate, you will approach towards CA final. And after clearing your CA final, you will be a chartered accountant. So now, first of all, I just like to explain you ki what is the process of CA, and like what is the journey and what are the steps, what we have to follow, what are the institute guidelines regarding that. So there are two options for becoming a chartered accountant. First is your foundation route, and second one is your direct entry route. So first, I will talk about the foundation route. In foundation route, what you have to do, you have to register. Foundation route means you are coming after giving your CA foundation. So what you have to do? So first of all, you have to register yourself with Board of Studies after appearing your class 12th examination. After clearing your 12th examination, you will be eligible to appear for your CA foundation. So you have to get yourself registration, and this registration deadline is June 30th June or 31st December. So if you have registered yourself on 30th June, before 30th June, so you are eligible to give November attempt. And if you have registered yourself in December, then you are eligible to give your May attempt. So after clearing your CA, your 12th examination, then only you are eligible to give the CA foundation exam. But you can register yourself before clearing class 12. You can register yourself, but you are eligible to give CA foundation only after clearing your class 12 examination. Then next step is you
So,
qualify.
Anubi,
Yes,
just one point that I would like to mention here for the clarity of students. So,
yes.
if you've registered by 30th June 2021, that is when you'll be able to appear for the November 2021 exam, like Anubi said. And if you complete your registration by December 2021, then your foundation attempt will fall in May 2022. So, just to kind of put the months in perspective for everyone. Yeah. Okay. Continue, Anubi.
Okay, after qualifying your CA foundation exam, you will register for CA intermediate course, and then you have to complete 4 weeks ICITSS training. It is basically a computer training, and it is of 4 weeks. So what is ICITSS? It is basically an integrated course on information technology and soft skills. So it is compulsory training. RCA Institute is providing this compulsory training. So you have to complete this training. Then you can appear in your intermediate exam after study period of 8 months. It means you are given 8 months study period before giving your CA intermediate examination. So you have 8 months to study and prepare yourself for CA intermediate. Then you have the option, if you pass your one group, only first group, then you can register yourself for practical training, that you call article training. So this is basically for 3 years. It is not compulsory that you clear your both the groups of CA intermediate. Even if you clear your one group, then you are eligible to register for practical training of 3 years. Fine. Then after that, you can register for CA final course after passing both groups of CA intermediate. Means after clearing your CA intermediate, both the groups, then only you can register yourself for CA final course. After that, you have to complete another ICITSS training. It is basically an advanced training. At this level, this is also a 4 weeks training, but this is an advanced training. So what you have learned in your previous training, this is an advanced version of this training, and this is also a compulsory training that you will be taking from CA Institute itself. After that, you can appear in final exam during your last 6 months of practical training. As I told you, practical training is for 3 years. So after in your last 6 months of practical training, you can appear for final exam, and after completion of your advanced ICITSS, means if you have not completed your computer training, then you are not eligible to appear for final examination. So you have to first appear for that training, then you can appear for CA final exam. After that, you can complete your practical training after giving CA final exam, then qualify your exam, and after that become a chartered accountant. So this is through foundation route, as I told you earlier. But now let me talk about direct entry route. So what is direct entry route? In this, if a student has done intermediate past students of if they have done company secretary, CS, or cost accountant intermediate exam, if they have passed those exams, then they can directly register for CA intermediate exam. Means they don't have to give the foundation exam for CA. They can take direct entry and can give, then are eligible for CA intermediate exam. And if you are doing a graduation, normal graduation, you are not doing any professional course, you are doing a normal graduation. If you are a normal graduate, then in that case also you can come through direct entry and appear for CA intermediate exam. Then in that case you will register for intermediate course and undergo your 4 weeks computer training, then join your 3 years practical training. But you know what is the option for direct entry? They have to do 9 months of practical training before appearing for intermediate exam. In their foundation route, what was the rule? That you have to first complete your CA, either one group or both the groups of CA intermediate, then you can register for 3 years practical training. But if you are coming for direct entry route, in that case, what you have to do, you have to first do your 9 months practical training, and this will include your 3 years training. Means your 3 years period is counted as a total 9 months before intermediate and remaining after clearing your CA intermediate. So this is the direct entry route. And after that, I will like to tell you about the course. What is the syllabus of CA
So
Foundation?
Anubi, before we get to the course, let's see if students are very clear about the two routes that you spoke about. So any questions anyone has with respect to foundation level entry or maybe the direct entry mechanism to get into CA? Any questions anyone has? Now, while you think of your question, you can put your questions on chat as well. So what Anubis explained, and I'll try and summarize it to kind of keep it slightly more to the point, is the fact that when you get into CA after foundation, there are two elements that you need to keep in mind. One is clearing the exams, which is inter and final. And the second element is your practical training. Now, you get 8 months to prepare for your inter examination, but after you kind of give your inter examination, so if you clear both the groups, nothing like it. But if you clear one group, then also you can start your practical training. So you don't have to wait till you complete your examinations to try to start your training. You can enroll for the training and get started. But for you to appear for your final exams, obviously registration, you'll have to clear CA inter, and only in the last 6 months of your practical training you will be able to appear for your final exam. So are we clear on this particular element? All registration process will happen directly with the CA Institute. So you go to the website, you go to the institute, you get the respective forms, you fill out the forms, and you complete all the formalities, and you register yourself with the Board of Studies. Are we clear on this? I think there was one question on chat from Priyanka. CA Foundation explain. Okay, so Priyanka, what is your question on CA Foundation? कब कर सकते हैं CA Foundation या okay? So after 12th आप CA Foundation कर सकते हो. The only thing is after you complete your exams of 12th standard, you get your result, then you only will be eligible to appear for your papers, but you can enroll even before that. आप अभी 12th में हो, सो यस 12th में आप हो तो आप एनरोल कर सकते हो, बट आपके फाउंडेशन एग्जाम तभी होगा जब आपका 12th कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, आपका रिजल्ट आ जाएगा, उसके बाद आप सीए में एग्जाम्स दे सकते हो। बट सीए की पढ़ाई, फाउंडेशन की पढ़ाई आप अभी से स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, इफ दैट इज योर क्वेश्चन। ओके अनुबी, ओवर टू यू।